Okay, quick bit of fault finding today, and then I'll put the repair on. So we've got a Makita SDS here that does nothing. I don't mean that normally, it's just this one does nothing. So whatever mode you're in doesn't change, there's no noise whatsoever, you can't hear it sort of trying to work or anything like that. Brushes look fine, and just to save time I've done both. So you can see they're fine. So what we'll do, we'll get this apart and just have an inspection. So I generally start at the top and work down. In this case we can fairly confidently say it's probably not going to be an issue with the gearbox at this point. There might be one, but we'll find that out later on. So we'll try and get that out of the way, and then we'll do an inspection on everything else. But as you see here, there's no burning there. The brush housing or holder is that sort of white creamy plastic bit there at the back of the magnet. That's not melted, which is good. There's a little bit of burning at the bottom, but we'll have a look at that in a second. The ring behind the bearing's a little bit beaten up, but that's not causing this issue. So what we'll do is we'll just get this armature pulled out here and we'll get it out of the way, just so we can check on that first. So pull the magnet off and we'll check both of these. So there's no damage here to the magnet, which is good. I'm just having a look at the armature. There's no burning around there or anything like that. The bearing is free to move. A little bit stiff at the front, but that's not a problem. That'd still be working and moving around. So there's no melting in here, which is good. Everything's connected, so there's no loose connections here. It's just worth checking those as you go around. So we'll work our way down. Get this little cover off the switch as well. This is really to stop sand and bits of dust or whatever you're using it for going in here. But we'll give it a good brush out, and you can start seeing things a little bit easier then. So this little cover just sort of pulls off the trigger. It's only a little rubber thing. Get that out of the way. Just helps you see then behind it, and you can see there's actually a bit of sawdust or something in there as well. On the back there it's even worse, so we'll give that a good brush down, get that all out, pop some contact cleaner in there as well in a minute. And I think this is where the problem is. So I've got a little bit of burning on the bottom here, I'll put that in shot a little bit better, but just on the power connector, this red one here, it's all melted, so I'm going to have to change that connector. Fairly likely this is going to be the fault, so what I'll do is I'll show you how I change this.